Hello and welcome to Huntun Tai Chi. My name is Philip Sheridan. In this video I will demonstrate the Tai Chi for Arthritis and Falls Prevention program, parts 1 and 2, comprised of 41 sequences. Dr. Paul Lam, founder of the Tai Chi for Health Institute, developed the Tai Chi for Arthritis program based upon sequences taken from the Sun Style 73 Tai Chi Form. If you wish to go on to learn the complete Sun Style 73, then the Tai Chi for Arthritis program acts as the perfect introduction to that form. To stay safe and comfortable, wear clothing that won't restrict your enjoyment of the movements, and wear flat-soled footwear too. Warm up before your practice with the movements developed by Dr. Paul Lam that we demonstrate at the beginning of our classes. Before you commence your practice, remember to take 2 or 3 relaxed breaths and try and turn down that chatter in your head just for a moment. For now, let's get ready and we'll commence. I'll talk our way through the sequences to give you a guide and to help you follow along. Commence. Open and close. Single whip, stepping right. Wave hands, stepping right. Open and close into single whip, stepping left. And wave hands, stepping left. Open and close into brush knee to the left. Play the lute. Parry punch. Block and close, push the mountain, turn into open and close. Then brush knee to the right, play the lute, parry punch. Block and close, push the mountain, turn, open and close. Brush knee to the right this time into leisurely tie the coat. Face the front, open and close, single whip to the left slightly backwards, turning, punch under elbow, repulse monkey left, about face and repulse monkey to the right, turning to the left brush knee, leisurely tie the coat. Open and close. Brush knee to the left again, into leisurely tie the coat. Open and close, single whip to the right, punch under elbow, repulse monkey right, about face, repulse monkey to the left, and then brush knee right into leisurely tie the coat. Turning, open and close, finish nicely.